Welcome to Red Squadron 4 box break number 8, 1 box limited plus bonus. The bonuses for the day will be the Marchand and the Yandel Aspirations die cut cards. These two cards are going to go to E-Froggy for having the most teams won for this auction with 7. The second bonus card is going to go to one of the teams that did not catch a hit in this. So it's a Daniel Alfredson numbered to 599 luxury suite from 2010-2011. One of the teams who does not catch a hit today. The time is 11:34. Hard to see, of course. (11:34) September 28th. And the serial number on this box. Good luck to everybody. Thanks for participating. I've already posted tomorrow's. It's about 22 hours away. Hope we catch something great for you. The first card, Martin Hansel, Phoenix Coyotes, numbered 127 out of 299. Second card, we have for the Chicago Blackhawks, Duncan Keith. This is numbered 102 out of 299. The third card we have is a Mark Messier for the New York Rangers. Mark Messier for the Rangers. And this is a 71 out of 299. We have a Nick Lidstrom for the Detroit Red Wings. You'll see the little patch jersey, I should say, there. This is numbered 11 out of 99, Nick Lidstrom. For the Winnipeg Jets, we have an Evander Kane Prime jersey. Nice seam there. It's pretty well defined. And we have great numbering here, kids. This is number 4, hard to see. Number 4 out of 19. 4 out of 19 Evander Kane Prime jersey. We have a Jimmy Howard of the Detroit Red Wings crease cleaners. 148 out of 99. The one I saved for last, card number 7, is a redemption. It is a Phenoms rookie card, number 237. Phenoms rookie number 237 is Matt Reed. Sorry, that's 227. 237, Brett Fulmer. For the Minnesota Wild, Brett Fulmer is number 237. So, there's going to be a second video for a random to get the Alfredson card. One of the teams who did not get a hit will get this. Thank you for participating, and there'll be another break tomorrow.